Miss Bailey is an American drama queen, plus-size model, TikTok star, and social media influencer. She is well known for her hot looks and curvy physiques. She rose to fame and came into the limelight for her bestaved Instagram account, where she posts her bold, curvaceous, and attractive-looking pictures as well as modeling content which attracts her fans so much. She also promotes different brands' products on her Instagram account. She has accumulated thousands of followers on the platform. Other than being an Instagram star, she is a plus-size model as well. She has collaborated with numerous clothing brands such as Pretty Little Thing, Ami Club Wear, Dollskill, Missy Empire, insert name here, Tutty Rouge Lingerie, Yoins Official, Dose of Roses, Fashion-Nova Curve, Bettyville, Manscaped, etc. Miss was born in 1998 in Dallas, Texas, United States. She was raised in Dallas, Texas, United States and completed her education from Dallas, Texas, United States. She is 23 years old, as of 2021. Name Miss Bailey. Birthplace Dallas, Texas, United States. Date of birth 1998. Age in 2021, 23 years. Profession drama queen, plus-size model, TikTok star, and social media influencer. Miss Bailey age, height, and weight. Miss Bailey's age is 23 years old, as of 2021. She is about 5 feet 5 inches in height and 60 kilograms in weight. Her hair color is dark brown and her eyes are hazel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe now.